Hello and welcome. Please come with us on this part of our walk through Sofia. Please remember to watch the other part of our guide. As we start walking from the iconic Lion's Bridge, a marvel of 19th century architecture, you're immediately greeted by the majestic bronze lions that have stood sentinel since the bridge's completion in 1891.
As you make your way towards the bustling Nevski Cathedral, or Women's Market, located on Vitosha Boulevard, you'll find yourself immersed in a vibrant marketplace brimming with fresh produce, aromatic spices, and a kaleidoscope of local goods. This market, a staple of Sofia's daily life, offers a glimpse into the local cuisine and traditions, making it a must-visit for anyone seeking to experience the city's authentic charm.
Established shortly after Bulgaria's liberation from Ottoman rule in 1878, it has grown from its humble beginnings as a wheat and horses market to become the oldest open-air market in Sofia. Over the years, it has been a center for trade, social activities, and public performances, reflecting the dynamic spirit of the city. The market's name, which translates to Women's Market, dates back to the Ottoman era when women were restricted to shop only in this area on Fridays.
During the communist period, it was renamed after Georgy Kirkov, a popular trade union leader, but the original essence of the market remained unchanged. Today, the Nevski Cathedral is a bustling hub where one can find an array of goods ranging from fresh local produce, exotic spices, and dairy products to clothing, souvenirs, and even imported goods from the Middle East. The market is not just a place for commerce, it's a cultural melting pot where the diverse population of Sofia comes together.
Walking back to the main road, the ancient hot springs of Serdica hold a fascinating history that dates back to the 2nd millennium BC. Founded by the Thracian tribe Serdi, these springs were not only a source of health and pleasure, but also a central part of the city's life flourished under Roman rule, becoming a provincial capital and a hub of administrative reforms. Today, the remnants of this ancient city can be explored in Sofia's city center, where the hot springs continue to flow, freely accessible to locals and visitors alike, just as they were in antiquity.
Just across from the water springs is Regional History Museum of Sofia, is a treasure trove of history and culture. Housed in the stunning former Central Mineral Bath, a landmark building constructed in 1912, the museum opened its doors to the public in 2015 after extensive restoration. Visitors can explore 8 halls filled with over 1,000 exhibits that chronicle Sofia's past from 6000 BC to the present day. Exhibits, such as the carriage of Bulgarian King Ferdinand and the Vitosha gold-sealed deed of Tsar Ivan Shishman from 1378.
As we walk away from the museum, you can see the central mosque of Sofia, Banyabashi Mosque. A jewel of Ottoman architecture. Designed by the eminent architect Mimar Sinan, it was completed in 1566 and is renowned for its large dome and minaret, which echo the city's skyline. Remarkably, the mosque was constructed over natural thermal spas, and even today and is a symbol of the nearly 5 centuries of Ottoman influence in Bulgaria.
Just a short stroll away, the Central Synagogue of Sofia, completed in 1909, is another architectural marvel. It is the third largest synagogue in Europe and showcases a blend of Moorish Revival and Byzantine Revival styles. The synagogue's grandeur is highlighted by its capacity to accommodate around 1,300 worshippers and its impressive main chandelier, the largest in Bulgaria.
As we walked back to the main road, we can see the back of the central Sofia Market Hall. With its grand neo-Renaissance architecture and bustling atmosphere. Opened in 1911, it has been a vibrant center of trade and a key part of Sofia's urban charm. As you walk along the main road, the view of the market hall's interior, once altered in the 1950s, was restored and modernized at the turn of the millennium.
As we make our way back on the main road, you can't help but notice the iconic monument of Saint Sofia, patron of city, standing tall and proud, is a modern tribute to the city's ancient protector, erected where once a statue of Lenin stood. This bronze beauty, adorned with symbols of power, fame, and wisdom, marks the spot with grandeur and controversy alike.
A few steps away, hidden beneath the city's bustling streets, lies the Church of Saint Petka of the Saddlers, a medieval gem that whispers tales of the past with its frescoes and crypt. And then, as if stepping into another era, the cultural complex, ancient Serdica, unveils the glory of Roman times with its ruins and mosaics, a crossroads of history and modernity nestled beneath the city's modern pulse.
The complex is a testament to Sofia's Roman legacy. Here, the ruins and mosaics paint a picture of a time when the city, known as Serdica, was a bustling metropolis of the Roman Empire. The complex integrates archaeological remains with cultural events, bridging the gap between past and present. It's a place where one can walk alongside the ghosts of Roman citizens, merchants, and soldiers who once populated the city's streets.
Sofia's story is not just confined to these historical sites. The city itself began as a Thracian settlement over 7,000 years ago and has seen the rise and fall of empires. It was known as Serdica in antiquity, a name given by the Celtic tribe Serdi, and later as Sredes during the Middle Ages. Throughout its history, Sofia has been a melting pot of cultures and a strategic location coveted by many due to its proximity to thermal springs and its central position in the Balkans. And showcasing a time when Ulpa Serdica was a vital Christian center and a strategic point between Europe and Asia.
Before you walk down the central shopping street, see Cathedral of St. Nedelya. An Eastern Orthodox cathedral dating back to the 10th century, the cathedral has seen numerous reconstructions, the most recent of which followed a devastating event in 1925.
On April 16 of that year, during the funeral service of General Konstantin Georgiev, the cathedral was the target of a terrorist attack orchestrated by the military organization of the Bulgarian Communist Party, directed by the Soviet military intelligence. The roof of the church was blown up, resulting in the tragic loss of 150 lives, including many from Bulgaria's political and military elite, and injuring around 500 others who were attending the service. This assault was not only an attack on prominent figures but also a profound shock to the community that resonated through the nation's history. Thank you for watching our little adventures and hope you have a great time visiting Sofia as we did. Please remember to watch the other part of our guide and to subscribe and stay updated on all our travels. Your support means the world. Happy travels and see you next time.